Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Valentine brownies. The ingredients that we're going to need today is 1 box of brownie mix, Baker's Joy baking spray with flour, red candy wafers, and we're going to be following the instructions on the box. So we're going to need 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 large eggs. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is empty my brownie mix into my bowl. Then my 1/4 cup of water, my 2 eggs, and also 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done mixing it, we're going to go ahead and set it to the side. You can set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now I have my silicone mold. Has XOXO, Cutie Pie, and Be Mine. So we're going to turn it over, and we're going to take our Baker's Joy, and we're going to lightly spray the inside. Now we're going to get our brownie mix, and we're going to begin to fill our silicone mold halfway up. Now you're going to go ahead and place them onto a baking sheet, and we're going to put them in our oven. We're going to let them bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Once your brownies are done, you want to let them cool off before you remove them, and then you just want to repeat the process. Now you can set your brownie hearts to the side, and you want to wash your silicone mold. You want to make sure it's washed thoroughly, and you also want to dry it thoroughly. Next, you're going to go ahead and put your red candy wafers into a microwave safe bowl. You want to microwave them at 30-second intervals, and you want to mix in between until they're all melted. Okay guys, my wafers are now melted. So now you want to add a layer of your red candy wafers that's melted into the bottom of your silicone mold. You want to make sure it's covered up all the way to the edges. Now we're going to take one of our brownies, and we're just going to place it back inside the mold. You want to push it down, but not too hard. Once you're done, now you can place them in your refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, I removed our Valentine brownies from the silicone mold. Look how nice they came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?